Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. Hello friends, so today Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So right now I am in front of the Mayapur ISKCON temple, which is one of the most popular and largest ISKCON temple of the world, which is established by the Srila Prabhupada, who was the founder of the ISKCON. Along with it is also the largest and headquarters of the ISKCON temple. So I am going to visit the ISKCON temple from the inside in Mayapur, which is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip in Mayapur, in Nadia district, West Bengal. So I am going to explore, and let's explore together with you. And this is the view of the ISKCON temple from the outside. So let's explore. And even I am also so excited to go inside the temple. So hello, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. So Hare Krishna, right now I am just in front of the temple. I am going inside the temple from the entry gate. So I am so close from the entry gate. So let's explore and learn lots of things regarding the temple. So even this temple is called as the ISKCON Mayapur, which is known to be as the temple of the Vedic planetarium or Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir. So Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir, which is also called as the temple of the Vedic planetarium, which is a modern Hindu temple complex under the construction since 2009, dedicated to the Panchtattva deities Radha, Madhav and the Asht Sakhis and the Narsimha. So it will be the largest religious monument in the world after the completion of the constructions, and is scheduled to open in 2026. So the project chairman is Alfred Bruce Ford, also as the Ambrish Das, great son of the Henry Ford and an initiated disciple of the Srila Prabhupada. So even the Alfred Bruce Ford, who was a great-grandson of the Henry Ford, who was a founder of the Ford Motor Company in USA, established. So the temple is being built at an estimated cost of $100 million, which is equal to the 100 crore US dollar in Indian rupees. It is equal to the 8 Arab 40 crore 24 lakh 60,000 rupees in our Indian currency, which is too much. So even the estimated cost of the 100 crore million dollar and can houses about 10,000 devotees can on each of its floors, where they can sit, they can sing, pray, dance in front of the Krishna. So the size of this temple is 70,000 square foot and 380 feet high. So the feature of this temple has 20-meter long Vedic chandeliers and a 60-meter diameter temple floor, and as a pujari floor that's 2.5 acres. So it's lined with blue Bolivian marble imported from the Vietnam and India, being constructed with the Bolivian marble. So this temple's architecture is a mix of the East and West architecture. So much of the fundings came from the devotees and the supporters of ISKCON around the world. And really it's a very wonderful and beautiful temple in India, which is the headquarters of the ISKCON. I am feeling so awesome here. So let's see and explore together with me the view of the ISKCON temple. Let's see. In my backside there is a ISKCON temple headquarters. So I am going. It is a very big ISKCON temple in our country. So even in the world also ISKCON temple. So I am going, and stay updated with me and explore together with me. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.
So this is the temple of the Srila Prabhupada, who was a founder of the ISKCON temple, who founded the ISKCON in the New York City in 1968 in USA, founded by him. So this is the Samadhi temple of the Srila Prabhupada. So apart from that, this temple is considered as one of the tallest Hindu temple in the world and is larger than the Taj Mahal and the St. Paul's Cathedral. So it's so amazing and unique temple where today I am here and exploring and seek the bliss of Lord Krishna in this temple along with the Gopis and Narsimha and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So really it's a very unique temple. Today I got a chance to visit, which is located in Mayapur on the bank of confluence of two rivers, Jalangi River.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare. So right now I am in front of the Srila Prabhupada Samadhi Mandir, which is also one of the most popular mandir in ISKCON temple in Mayapur. So it is also inside the campus of ISKCON temple Mayapur. So let's see the view of Samadhi Mandir and explore also together with me and seek the bliss of Srila Prabhupada, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sri Radhe Krishna. So bolo Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare.
Mayapur, which is located at the confluence of the two rivers, Hooghly River and the Jalangi River, which make as a Gange from here also. So it is one of the holiest river flowing from the Mayapur and Navdeep, which is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after just opposite of the Mayapur. So both places, Navdeep and Mayapur, connected by the ferry also available here. So it's a guest experience ever today I got here about the temple of the Vedic planetarium, Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir. So even this is also the headquarters of the ISKCON temple are located in Mayapur and is considered as a holy place by a number of the other traditions within the Hinduism, but it is also the special significance of the followers of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism as the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, as regarded as a special incarnation of Lord Krishna in the mood of Radha. So Mayapur is located in the middle of the Hooghly and the river Jalangi, and it is well connected by the road and the rail from the Kolkata and Howrah time to time. So this temple features deities of Panchatattva, Lord Sri Narsimha, Srila Prabhupada and the Radha Madhav with Gopis. So A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada founded Mayapur as a place of the pilgrimage in the 20th century, and this temple complex consists of the several buildings like the Sri Radha Madhav Mandir, Srila Prabhupada Pushpa Samadhi Mandir and the Srila Prabhupada Bhajan Kirtan Kutir Mandir. So there are lots of temple and complex inside the temple, and also there is lots of buildings like the Radha Madhav and many more. So I am going and exploring inside the temple. So let's stay together with me and look at right now. I am just in front of and I am crossing nearby the Srila Prabhupada Pushpa Samadhi and the Chandrodaya Mandir, which is also visible from the here, which is temple of the Vedic planetarium, and it's looking so amazing and unique from here. And I'm also going to seek the bliss of Srila Prabhupada in this temple. But I have been inside the temple, cameras, mobile and any device is not allowed to go with. So I will keep there is also a clock room also available in the both temple. So I will keep my shoes and slippers and also my luggage in the clock room and shoe keep. So and along with the mobile. So this is the exit gate, but I am searching the entry gate. Where is that? It is in opposite side. So I am going to the entry gate to seek the bliss of Srila Prabhupada. So this is the current temple, which is back side of the Chandrodaya temple. Nowadays, because of the temple will be open and operate till the 2026. So right now this is the current temple where I am also going to seek the bliss of the Sri Krishna Radha Madhav.
सो बोलो श्री कृष्ण की जय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. So after coming and visiting temple, I got a very good experience inside the Mayapur temple. Even I visited lots of times ISKCON temple, so places, because I belong from the Patna, Bihar. So in Bihar, Patna is also one of the most beautiful ISKCON temple also, and I also visit the ISKCON temple in Vrindavan also, which is one of the most oldest ISKCON temple of India, built by also Srila Prabhupada, where he has spent a time. That is called as the Sri Krishna Balram ISKCON temple in Vrindavan, which is located just close to the Prem Mandir in Vrindavan. That is also considered as a place of the Sri Radharani, and just which is only 3 kilometer away from the Mathura, which is the birthplace of the Sri Krishna. So where I also visited so many times. So this is the view of the ISKCON temple, Mayapur Chandrodaya temple. We can see it's looking so amazing and amazing from here also. And I am right now just near to the one of the closest park inside the temple, and also just in front of the Gada hall. There is one of the Gada hall, which is also popular hall located here. So I am just in front of, I am going to the Gada hall. So it's also a very greeny park here, located here inside the temple. Some people are also coming and sitting and chatting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which was started by the Srila Prabhupada. And here you can see some foreigners are chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So let's see and listen carefully. Right now I just came close to the ISKCON temple, and we can feel about there is one pond which is so beautiful pond inside the temple, and which is located between the Chandrodaya Mandir and the Srila Prabhupada Samadhi Pushpa Samadhi temple. So we can see Srila Prabhupada Pushpa Samadhi temple, which is also visible, which is just after the pond. So it's also a very unique place, and many more devotees are coming and sitting and chanting also the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, along with also they are sitting and relaxing here. So this is the view of the Chandrodaya Mandir and Pushpa Samadhi Mandir. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, which is the world's largest ISKCON temple and headquarters, which is located in Mayapur, which is the birthplace of the Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Wadhiya district at the Nordic. So let's see an activity together. And stay together. So even the time of this time is more than 7 p.m. 7:30 to 8 p.m. and right now I am going to inside the temple to visit and seek the bless of Lord Krishna in this temple during the night. So during the night time, this temple is also looking so unique, and I am also feeling so awesome after coming to visit this temple, and I will also seek the bless of Lord Krishna Radharani inside this temple during the night.
So we can see the view of night in ISKCON Mayapur, which is also one of the most beautiful time where I am feeling here. So many more devotees are also coming to visit this temple also in this time also, and we can see number of the devotees are coming and going after seeking the bliss of Lord Krishna in this temple. So during the night time, the vibes of this temple, the lights up is also decorated very well this temple. So in night time, how the Chandrodaya Mandir Vedic planetarium is looking, we can see it's also looking so unique and so awesome during the night time also. So till the 10 p.m. I will stay here because of the temple closing time is only 9 p.m. but nowadays, we can stay here till 10 to 10:30 in the park and some closest area nearby this temple also. So this is the front, and this is some also Annadana store and something also here, and we can have to donate the something Annadan food, that is a live for food going on here. So many more persons and devotees are coming and donated the money also to this temple. So this is the view of the Chandrodaya Vedic Planetarium temple, which is looking so unique during the night time. So I can't explain how I am feeling this time also in this temple, because there is no any kind of words that I am today feeling that today I am here in Mayapur, that is which is considered as the birthplace of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip, which is located in Mayapur in Nadia district. And even we can come here from the Navadvip Dham railway station, and also we can come from the Krishnanagar railway station also, but I think it is the best to come from via Navadvip Dham railway station. So from the Navadvip and in Mayapur, I travel and visit lots of temples, more than 20 to 15 temples where I visit here. So this is the Sri Radha Madhava Mahaprasadam hall, where I can also get prasadam also here. So Sri Mayapur Chandrodaya Mandir, that is which is visible from here. So Hare Krishna and thank you so much.